Okay, so I think I've decided what we're gonna do with this engine bay. I'm gonna spend some time cleaning it up. I've already pulled most of everything that I can out as far as wiring and all the rest goes. There's a couple of more things I may end up taking out. There's just, you know, random bracketry and those sorts of things. And then I think we're gonna paint it, which is weird for me to say because I've never done an engine bay and I never thought I was going to, especially not on this, at least not at this point in time. But we've got some Duplicolor acrylic enamel, flat black. So that ought to be pretty good. Anyways, I suppose we'll just jump right on that. Came down with a good bug, so yeah, not real enthusiastic today. All right, let's get into this. So basically what I'm gonna do is just go through and start wire wheeling all the rust and junk and all the hard stuff on here. And I've got some Scotch-Brite, couldn't think of my word, that we may end up using maybe more up on the firewall in places that I can't really reach with this. And then yeah, that's it. I'm gonna stop talking now and just dig into this. Alright, so sorry for the noise, but what we're gonna do now, I got most of it knocked off. Not really trying to make it perfect, just want to make it look a little better. But what we're doing now, compressed air and brake cleaner to get out all the corners and hard buildup that I can't reach with the wire wheel. So yeah, you get to listen to my compressor for a while. Actually, I have an idea. We're gonna try to move this into the meat room here, and that might help quite a bit with the noise. Oh yeah, there's an outlet right here. Excellent. Or maybe this one. Yeah, I think that helps a lot. Perfect. All right. Brake clean. Let that start doing its work. Eating some of this oil and gunk and all the decades of buildup. have to get my other can. I think I got a couple of more of these in the truck. So if we run out, which we probably will, I can go get that. Oh, this one's that one's done. Okay. I know this is real entertaining. Trying to get the straw in this. There, is that it? Ah, perfect. All right. Like I said, not trying to get it perfect, just trying to get all the hard deposits of this real crusty grease, mainly, is what we're looking to try to get rid of. All right, so I think we are ready for paint now. There's one bracket and these two brackets here. I don't really care that much about it. Yeah. Although, one thing that we should do is move some of these tools so I don't get overspray all over them. Great, never find that again. You know, I don't mind the winter, I really don't. In fact, I even kind of like the snow, but man, I tell you what, getting sick every other weekend, not good, or not fun, I should say. I never had that problem until I had kids, and now, man, they get it, and then you get it, and then you just keep trading back and forth. This is definitely the worst time that I've been sick yet this winter, but still, I don't know where I was going with that. Oh, sorry, my voice is a bit weird as per usual. This time I'm actually sick. It's not just me. I shouldn't say this time. I should say yet again. All right. Okay, I'll give you guys just a quick before and then after. All right, that's what we've got going on so far. Like I said, not perfect, but basically all of the heavy deposits and oil and everything else is off. So yeah, we're just gonna give it a few spritz and see how it goes. I would get you closer, but I don't want to put overspray. Don't want to get overspray all over my camera. Yeah, you can see pretty good from there. All right. Let's. I'm gonna start. Calm down. Didn't ask you. I'm gonna start on this fender. Hopefully we've got enough. I should. Oh yeah, there we go. It was coming out clear for a minute. Didn't know what was going on. We may actually not have enough indeed. Oh, indeed. After all, I'm just gonna give up on talking in my videos. Obviously, I'm not very good at it. Starting to look better. I don't know why it's coming out so weird. It's been sitting by the fire for a couple of hours, and it was hot when I picked it up. Like I said, I've never done an engine bay, and you know, I kind of don't mind it. I mean, it's black, but I don't know. It's an interesting color, or an interesting black. Almost died. See if I can manage to not overspray my entire fender. We're definitely gonna have to pause and go get some more. Well, the battery died. Oops. So, we're gonna try this again. I found this trim and bumper renew over there somewhere on that shelf. We're gonna give it a shot. I did this a little bit right here, and it doesn't look too bad. So we're just gonna give it a try, see how it works. I do like the color a lot better. It's much more of a shiny black than that real matte that we had going on with that other one. Yeah, that's a lot better. It's kind of tricky to do with one hand. Oh, I'll be honest. Well, at least on the leaning part of it. All right. Yeah, it is a much better look. I like that a lot better. Let's see if we can get more paint on our clothes. Actually, it's alright. I'm wearing black pants, so no one will know until I sit down on something. Yeah, that's a lot more like it. Now we can move along to this here. I don't know why I'm doing the motor mounts. Those are coming out. All right, well, we're done. It's a much better black. I really like the way it looks now. I'm not worried about any of the steering components or any of that. I wasn't gonna waste my time painting that because that's gonna be replaced anyways. Same with that brake master. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. Not too much overspray. Got a little bit in a couple of spots, but that's easy. It'll come right off with that steel wool. But yeah, I mean, the firewall and the shock towers is where it counts, right? And I think those are nailed. Got the front side of the core support, or the back side of the core support. Yeah, it looks pretty good in there now. And then we'll get that new battery box right here and get rid of this bracket and take those off. Get rid of that, get rid of all this junk. Well, yeah, get rid of it and rebuild it. Fix that hood hinge. I don't know why it's not working right now. I can't get it up. And then it'll be ready to put that motor in. So depending on what happens first, we're either gonna finish welding on the floor, on the inside there, or we are going to, I don't know, we may put the motor in. I'm not totally sure yet. I think I want to leave the motor out until I get all this steering situation handled. So probably next video we'll do floors, and then move on to steering components and then motor, I think is the plan. Whew. Feels so good to be working on this. I'm very excited. This is gonna be an absolutely amazing car. I also have some very cool ideas for revinyling the dash and the rear deck. So stay tuned for that, because that is gonna be one of a kind. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out. I think that is it for today. Let me go lean right on this paint. But yeah, I think that's it for today. I'm trying to keep my videos a little bit shorter. Apparently, nobody cares about hour-long videos anymore, or at least not when I make it. So we're gonna stick to 20 to 30-ish minutes, I think is the goal. I think that today's video ought to be right about that, so hopefully I don't have to edit out more than about 5 or 10 minutes. All right. Well, please like and subscribe and share. I'm gonna go take some NyQuil and go to bed. I'll see you guys next week.